Welcome back. So we have another great question from Jonathan. Jonathan is selling his property. So he asked us our top tips, how he can achieve the best sale price for his property.
Number one, what we've really seen, and a lot of feedback from agents and vendors, is styling a property for sale, strategically placing the right size, style and color furniture in spaces really creates that emotional buy-in from buyers once they walk into the property.
Yeah, and we're not just saying that because we're property stylists. We actually renovated and sold so many properties ourselves, so we know the amazing difference furniture and the right placement of furniture can make to the value, the perceived value of your property. Styling can be very expensive, so there's a couple of other options. If you still live in the property, you get something like we call a consult, virtual consult, where we tell you exactly how you need to move furniture around, what you need to take away, what you need to add, and you can do all of this yourself as well.
And I mean, another option, we do have these amazing Q&As, and we also have a fantastic YouTube channel where we do share a lot of our styling tips and tricks. So if you feel empowered and you want to DIY style yourself, there is a lot of resources out there to really help you.
Go check it out.
Yeah,
it's pretty cool. All right, and maybe partial. We do partials as well, where we add to whatever furniture you have to create that amazing look and feel. All right, so styling is a very good option. Number two, what would you suggest?
I would say do not go past paint. Oh my goodness. Honestly, the amount of times we've seen a property painted, gone in and go, wow, it looks brand new. I can't even count how many times we've seen that. So, it is a very inexpensive way to completely transform the property and increase the perceived value overnight.
Yeah. So it's basically an investment, not an expense. So do that. Flooring is another great way. If your carpets are old and raggy, just replace them. Flooring, replace it. If you do not have a budget to replace them, just get them professionally cleaned, because that can also make such a big impact.
What else?
I think anything that's broken, fix it. Like starting with the doorbell, starting with the front porch light. Sometimes when people flick lights on and the bulb in the living room does this, immediately the husband's like, ugh, this is going to be maintenance. I'm not even going to bother. Make sure every small thing is fixed, workable condition and clean.
That's right. Perfect.
So, okay. I hope that helped. Good luck selling, and we look forward to some photos of the sold.
Bye.
Take care. Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I mean, we're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com, and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.